I believe that you are doing well. My name is Madam Sharon, and welcome to today's class, whereby we are going to learn more and interact. It is going to be an interactive class, and I need maximum cooperation from you. So let's cooperate and work together. Then I want to show you something on the screen. If you will be able to see it, then you will let me know. Hmm. Are you seeing something on the screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing something on the screen.
Yes. Anthony, are you seeing anything? Okay. Okay. Now let's begin. Today we are going to read about construction materials. And construction materials, as you as a building technology students, construction materials is one and essential things that you need to understand and learn as early as possible, because when you go to the field, it is going to help you to interact well with the industry. Let's go to the introduction to construction materials under this title subtopic, which is understanding the building blocks of modern construction. Now, construction materials are one of the essential things that you need to understand. And let's go to the first question that we need to ask ourselves. What are construction materials? As you can see here, they are substances used in the construction of buildings and infrastructure. And they can be natural, that is stone, timber, or synthetic, that is concrete or steel. We also do the selection of these construction materials depending on the cost, the availability, the durability, and the purpose of the materials to use them. Now, let us go to the categories of construction materials. These construction materials have different categories, but here today we are going to learn 4 categories of the construction materials. We have the finishing materials. Finishing materials are tiles, paint, plaster, and there are so many, but today we are going to learn only those 3. We also have the insulating materials, that is a glass, wool, and polystyrene. These are insulating materials. Insulating materials, these are used to prevent, that is, sound or heat to get into the construction uh, project. We have the structural materials. These are concrete, steel, and timber. And for the structural materials, they are having this particular property, which is strength. They have a high tensile strength. We also have another property category, which is binding materials. We have cement and lime. They are used to bind that is the materials in the construction site to help our construction work efficiently. Now let's go to another content today of today. Cement. We are going to learn that cement, it is the most common binding material It is used in concrete, mortar, and plaster. We have different types of cement, that is the ordinary Portland cement and the pozzolanic cement, that is the one that we use in the normal construction site. But when you go to other projects like bridges or railways, or that is water transport, we use different categories of cement. And in Kenya, we have the Kenyan brands, that is Bamburi Cement and Savannah Cement. Let's go to another slide. We have concrete. Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, aggregate, and water. It is used for foundations, slabs, columns, and beams. And under concrete, we have the reinforced concrete and precast concrete. Under this type of concrete, that is reinforced concrete, this is the one that is prepared in the industry, but precast is the one prepared in the that is in the project, the time that the construction is going on. We also have timber. Timber is also another construction material, and it is used for roofing, doors, and windows. And we have the types of timber, that is softwood and hardwood. And this timber is treated to resist termites and decaying. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Good. Now I can see we are moving on well. Let's go to another category, which is bricks and blocks, where we have the clay bricks and concrete blocks that are majorly common in Kenya, and they are used for walls and partitioning. Hollow blocks offer better insulation. In your groups, that is in your that WhatsApp group, I had sent those categories of construction materials in the soft copy. So you make sure you go through them and understand well how they look like. Finally, we have the stone. The stone is mostly located, the locally sourced is Nairobi, bluestone, Kisii, soapstone. And those are the majorly types of stones that are being used in constructions. And they are majorly located in Nairobi and Kisii. And these stones, they are especially used for foundations, the cladding, that is facings, and decorative finishes, that is that is facing. And the majorly function of stones, why it's mainly used, it is for durable and it's a weather resistance. Another thing is that uh, it is easily available. It can be accessed at any place at any point. In conclusion, we can say that construction materials shape the safety, beauty, and sustainability of our built environment. Choosing the right materials is key to successful construction. Therefore, you as an engineering student, you have a project whereby you want to construct your own building or your own house. Selecting the right materials is a key success for you to construct that particular building or that particular house. So every time we go to the field or to the industry, that is the first thing they are used to identify the best and the suitable materials that are being used to do the construction. I believe now we are through. I'll send these notes in your group so that you go and to revise them very well. You go through the soft copy of the categories of the construction materials, how they look like and their function. and make sure you understand. Wherever that you will feel that you don't understand, you can reach out to me so that I can elaborate it well for you. Do I have anybody who has a question at any point of addition? If you have any point in addition, you can unmute your mic and add. Okay, it means that now we have exhausted everything, and I believe you have that content of today. You have something to put in mind. Let me wish you all the best. Have a blessed evening, and let's meet to the next class.